Soybean Association sponsors soybean sampling program. So we grow soybeans that are entered by the different companies. We grab a 1 pound sample and bring it back to the lab to be run through our whole grain protein and oil analyzer. And then that data is on our website for Illinois producers to make decisions on protein oil levels of the varieties they want to grow. The University of Variety Testing Program has 13 locations across the state, which actually, I should mention, is going to change for the 2023 growing season. We're going to drop down to 8. Entry levels have gotten low enough that, the budgets are small enough that we're trying to find a way to save some money but keep the program going. The main goal of the variety testing program is to provide a non-biased source of information for producers to select corn and soybean varieties for their farm. So then coupled with the ISA, the quality information is also available for them to make decisions if they want to, have increased quality for maybe contracting reasons or other reasons other than just yield. The challenges we're really running into the variety testing is participation by the companies. So if farmers could maybe talk to their seed representatives and encourage them to be in our trials so they can use their varieties in the unbiased way and make decisions based upon an unbiased source instead of a company representative. It's always good to have that third-party information. The research is important to provide. One aspect is to provide the information that's third-party independent research. Other things is like pushing towards new technologies. You have to have a place like the university in which you can do kind of whatever you want as far as a research project goes and find out what fails and what succeeds, and without having the pressures of the industry trying to make money and drive that part of the cycle. So having a university space to do these maybe crazy ideas that turn into actually new procedures or new practices in the industry. That's kind of how all the practices that we do today have come out of the university system. We have a website that has all the data on it. Usually you can just Google variety testing, and we're usually the first hit typically. So it's one way, and then encourage your seed reps to put some varieties in our trials. It would be very helpful to the program.